Okay, we came back from camping and we had a bunch of zucchinis in our garden, so we decided to make stuffed zucchinis. Here's a couple of the zucchinis we're going to use. Here's your regular average size zucchini, and here's the zucchini we found when we got home. So, we're going to stuff these big suckers, and what we're going to do, put in them, is right over here. And here's the ground beef that we're going to put in the zucchinis. It's got bell peppers, onions, garlic, and salt and pepper basically. And then there's some rice over here. We're gonna put that with the ground beef together, and then we're gonna put all that in the zucchinis, put those in the oven at 400 degrees for about 20 minutes, and then we'll see what happens. We're gonna just mix these together. Stuff these suckers with this stuff. I don't know how this is gonna work, but
with your little concoction.
Stuffing begin. We're gonna take this stuff and put it right in here. It's gonna be kind of messy. That's okay. Messy's okay. Be messy. That little one. I have a place for another one. It's nice and hot, so when it hits your hand, you get a scalding burn. It's wonderful. Oh, that's feeling really good on my thumb. I don't need that thumb. I have another one. I'm right-handed, so screw you, left thumb. All right. Let's make this fit in here somehow. And let's... Shut up, Zoe. Oh, look at this. Reminds me of working at the teddy bear factory. Ah, the teddy bear factory. The good old days. Doesn't have to be pretty. We're not winning any awards. Although, it's gonna taste like $1,000,000. Are you better? Is that better? And there's the last one. Bam. Bing bang. It's gonna be so yummy in about 20 minutes. All right. We got enough left over for all those other little guys, which we'll do later. Episode 2. Here we go. Everybody get in the oven. It's gonna be warm in there. Okay, there we go. Oh my God.
It's a family.
All right, set the timer. 20 minutes. And we wait. Okay, and we're gonna get the zucchinis out. They're just about done. Right there. All right, here we go. 20 minutes. Turn that annoying thing off. This. Parmesan on top. The fresher the better. And there's the stuffed zucchinis, finished product with the Parmesan cheese grated on top. And now we'll cut it up and eat it.
You look crazy.
Voila.
All right, girls, what do you think?
It's really good.
Yeah, Zoe, are you digging it?
I already digged in. Funny. Ew.
What are you doing, Ava? Dig in, girl.
Being as messy as my life.
Yeet.
And here is the aftermath of dinner. We don't have very many leftovers. It was a success, I think. I don't know. There's weird vomiting noises coming from the backyard.
No, there
we'll do more
isn't.
videos. We'll do more videos. Just tell us what you want us to cook, and we'll cook it. And thank you for watching the video. Check us out next time when we're gonna do beef bolognese.